What's going on, YouTube? So today we're going to be trying to do some PDR, which is paintless dent repair, for $28 and some amount of cents. I ordered a kit off Amazon, and you can see I cheaped out on soda as well. We got Dr. K, which is some Dr. Pepper, but it's still hitting. First look in here, we got some instructions. Don't need those. Looks like some glue, some spray bottle. I think you put like alcohol in here to make it not stick. Some wipes and a scraper. Alright, so this is for big dents, I guess, and I don't know what I'm doing, so if I sound a little mentally challenged, I'm sick and not really thinking straight also. More little adapter dent filler things. We got some smaller ones here. This is probably what I'm going to try to use first today. More glue. You see, this one's clear, yellow, and black. I'm assuming there's a strength level to the glue, or they're just playing games. Ain't nothing wrong with the black glue. Got to throw that in there. Gotta have a variety of colors. More little adapter things. They sure do give you a lot. Maybe they're not reusable, but we'll see. Or maybe they just break. We got a really, really good looking glue gun here. I mean, wow. This is cool. Some really long ones. I'm just going to go ahead and leave those in the cute little bag. We got some adapter here and slide hammer, of course. I think this handle goes on here. I don't know why you would remove the handle, but cool. I think you just something like that. Maybe it doesn't fit in here with the handle on it. Okay, that's why the handle is a removable handle. So I'm gonna figure out what the glue strength is and decide which one I want to use. It doesn't really say what the colors mean. So we got that little ding right there on the door, and I've been staring at this for almost 6 years, so if we can get this out today, I'm gonna be hyped. Yeah, let's give that a shot. The little glue gun chilling here. I don't know if we put it. Oh, well, I think we're working now. Oh, yeah, it's working. Maybe we put it on this thing. Should probably look at those directions. Glue gun is working. But we're gonna go right there. The glue is a little messy. It's already feeling really strong, but we're gonna let that sit for like 2 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes. Let's give it a shot. This shit. Well, guys, we finally did it. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. Doesn't really mean anything, but thank you for watching these dumb, boring videos. Maybe some are fun, but most aren't. Let's be real. Content's kind of whack, but it's really for me to look back on and improve from. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Oh, and this isn't related to hitting 1,000 subs or anything, but I am going to be building a subscribers car starting this weekend, so stay tuned for that. Alright, I was getting really mad because I've tried so many times to get that dent out, and the damn thing just kept falling off. Hey, you put any force on the side hammer, the glue just doesn't stick. And yeah, I did clean the surface. I'd like to think that it did come out, maybe like 10% of it came out. Don't buy this shit. Maybe I'll try to find some better glue, but this glue is no good. I tried all the flavors. Clear, yellow, black, they all work about the damn same. And I'm a little fed up. This hood has a bunch of dings and stuff in it. So I don't know, maybe I'll try on this. Well, I didn't want to take any dings off this too. The glue is just trash. I mean, let's be real. This glue is terrible. Let's see all my attempts. Would not recommend. Maybe the little things are good, but the glue, it ain't it. And I looked at the reviews. It's probably just a bunch of bots. I got my dents out very quickly. The very amazing kit. There was one bad review, right? Didn't mention anything about the glue. He just said that his slide hammer broke. Like the tip broke. I mean, his glue must have been really good to be able to break some fucking metal. Me, I couldn't even break the plastic things. So, I'm done. I've been staring at this damn dent for years. So, we'll just stare at it some more. I mean, it did come out a little bit, let's be real. No, you can still see it. An update on this thing. Still waiting on the Surfab high-rise header. It's been about 3 months, and this is a $2,000 header. I mean, I'm kind of upset. That's kind of a lot of money. If this thing shows up with any fucking thing wrong with it, I swear to God, I'm gonna scream, dude. But I guess perfection is not rushed, or can't be rushed, because I mean, it's taken a while. I finally grew a pair and asked for an update. They're talking about, it's a pre-order, we need 10 orders. Then we start making them, blah, 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 shipping them out, da, da, da. You should get it in a month. Alright, wait another month.